Hi, good morning. It's your Bakalanya Get Just With Me, Curly. And for today is I'm going to change because I will be going to a clinic because last night I was bitten by a cat. Meow. So I don't know if you can see, but it really have a blood and it bled a lot. Just like my heart, it's bleeding heart. Um, But yeah, so I need to go to the clinic or to the hospital to be able to get injected by anti-rabies, anti-tetanus, anti-inflammatory, anti. So without further ado, let's start. So since I'm going to a public clinic or like a city health here in Bacolod City, so kailangan natin ng something fresh because it will be so hot later. So yes, let's start. So this is what I'm going to use. It's a purple glittery one so that I will be the most glittering person in the clinic. So this is her. Okay. So mainit na. It's like 7 a.m. but it's so hot already here in the Philippines. So this is for my shorts. I want to wear something like super dark blue or navy blue, but then I don't have because I have an inspiration in the Got to Believe that Claudine Barreto is wearing a violet spaghetti strap and this one, a blue shorts, but I don't have a blue shirt. So I'll just use this. Okay, so I'll just wear my watch to keep tracking the time. And then my Ellen necklace that I bought at TikTok. Okay, I'll just wear my black tennis shoes. I'll be right back. Sorry, wala akong energy. I don't have the energy because it's early in the morning. It's 7 a.m. and I haven't slept yet. But then again, I'm going to the clinic to be able to get injected. Okay, nag-freshen up na po tayo. May pa-blush po tayo. Kahit na ma-inject tayo ng ilang beses, okay lang. Importante is may blush po tayo. And this is for my shoes. Diba? Wait lang, suotin natin. And this is for my bag. Tara, this is for my final outfit.